students of class 7th. Today I am going to share a story with you from your book Scaling Life Values. So please open chapter 2, that is Building the Generation Gap. So once in a very olden time, so students, it is a story of an old time. The people of Romania thought that the old people are an unnecessary burden. As you know, some places people are having such kind of human who feel like that their elders are burden on them. They don't like to have them in the family. They are weak and old and are unable to do any work. What is the use of keeping such people in our family? They have already lived their life. So they decided to kill all the old people in the country. The old people above the age of 50 were ordered to be killed. Lots of wise and old people were killed, and a storehouse of wisdom, knowledge, and experience was destroyed. A young man had great love and respect for his father. He did not want to be killed because that man used to love his father. He wanted that his father should be alive with him. He hid him in a cellar and took good care of him. He always consulted his father in the time of difficulties and trouble, as he felt like that the father has knowledge and he can help him in his difficult time. Nobody knew that the old man was living with the man. As the years passed, terrible drought overtook the country and brought famine in its wake. The people had a lot of suffering, trouble, and sickness. The stores of food grains were fully exhausted. They did not have a single grain of seed to sow in the land. They were helpless to solve their problem. Everybody looked worried. The old man saw everything from his cellar. He asked his son the cause of his worry. The son told him everything. He told the problem which country was facing. The old man thought for a while and said, "Don't worry, my son. Do not speak to anyone about it for the time being. Take your plough and plough up the lane in front of your house. Then rake it over." The son did just as his father was advising. The rains came, and wheat, barley, oats, and beans began to sprout out of the ground in front of the young man's house. Soon the news spread about this unheard thing. The people were surprised to see a man reaping when he had not sown anything. The old man had advised his son to do so because he knew from his experience that when the people bring their crops home, many seeds drop on the ground in the way. He was sure that some seeds may be lying up, noticed in the lane in front of his house. So he advised his son to do the same. So the old man was proved right. Soon the king summoned the boy to know the secret of his wisdom. After a lot of hesitation, the boy told the king that his old father had advised him to do so. The king was wonderstruck at the wisdom of the father. He asked the boy to bring his old father to the court because he wanted to reward him. After all, the old man had saved the life of the whole nation by his sagacious advice. After this incident, the people of that country did not kill their old people. They loved and respected them. They treated them as a valuable treasure for the nation. So, did you understand, students, that our elders are not burden on us? Their wisdom, their understanding, their knowledge can actually do that thing which we are also not able to do. They can do better than us. Thank you and have a great day ahead.